Staying with the INDI alliance, after months of deliberations, the Mahavikas Aghadi alliance has finally reached a consensus on the seat-sharing formula in the state to contest the Lok Sabha elections. As per the final seat-sharing deal, Uddhav Thackeray Shiv Sena will contest on 21 seats in Maharashtra, while Congress has agreed to fight the polls on 17 out of the 48 Lok Sabha seats. Sharad Pawar's Nationalist Congress Party will contest on 10 Lok Sabha constituencies meanwhile. Remember, this consensus was reached despite differences between the allies over certain seats. Remember, the Congress was keen on contesting from the Sangli seat, where they were considering naming Pratik Patil as their candidate. However, Uddhav Thackeray Shiv Sena named Chandrahar Patil from the seat even before the seat-sharing deal was finalized. Mumbai Northwest was another constituency closely contested by the Congress and the Shiv Sena UBT. Sanjay Nirupam, who was then a member of the Congress party, repeatedly targeted the Sena UBT candidate, even going on to brand him a Khichdi Chor. In Mumbai South Central, the Congress wanted to field its Mumbai Congress chief, Varsha Gaikwad, but the seat has also gone to the Shiv Sena UBT, from where Anil Desai will be contesting. Bhiwandi was another seat that saw a tough fight between the NCP and the Congress, but the seat has ultimately gone to the Sharad Pawar faction of the NCP. Now, despite the differences between the parties, today they stand united and claim that all is well in their bid to fight the BJP.
साहजिकच आहे, युती किंवा आघाडी म्हटल्यानंतर जागा वाटपाबद्दल शक्य असेल तिथपर्यंत आम्ही चर्चा करत असतो आणि तो प्रत्येकाचा अधिकार असतो. मात्र एक क्षण असा येतो की त्यावेळेला एकमेकाला समजून घेऊन जागा वाटप जाहीर करून प्रत्यक्ष निवडणूक जिंकण्याची तयारी सुरू करावी लागते आणि तो क्षण आता आज आलेला आहे.
अच्छी जागा आहे, त्यापैकी एकही जागेवर असा मतं घेईल ते मतं घेण्याचा नाही. शुल्क 1 वर्षाचं आहे, त्यामुळे सांगली असेल किंवा आणखी काय असेल याचं जे वाचन केलं त्या सगळ्याचा निर्णय 1 वर्षांनी झालेला आहे.
यामुळे काँग्रेस या महाविकास आघाडीमध्ये जे सांगली भिवंडी आपल्या जागेचा उल्लेख आपण करताय, आमचे सगळे कार्यकर्ते एकजुटीनं महाविकास आघाडीच्या उमेदवाराला जिंकून आणण्यासाठी पूर्ण प्रयत्न करणार. आपण जे काही प्रश्न विचारताय की मतं तुमची एकमेकाला जातील का, बिलकुल जाणार.